The India-Maldives controversy has not faded away yet, and there is a new update in it. The role of China and China's inclusion with Maldives in a defense pact. What will be its impact on India? That is what we will be looking today. Hello and welcome to the In News series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be discussing about the Maldives signs defense pact with China and what will be its impact on India. So the points of discussion, first about the news, then about China-Maldives Defense Pact, India-Maldives scenario, what will be its impact overall, and in the end a prelims practice question. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 2, that is International Relations. You should be able to know about that why the India-Maldives scenario and its impact on India-Maldives relation. So the news talks about as Indian troops pull out, Maldives signs defense pact with China. So see, what happened was that few months before, we all know that there was a controversy with regard to the boycott Maldives. This is what trended in India, and boycott India was what trended in Maldives. But it was all started when the Prime Minister of India, that is Narendra Modi, visited Lakshadweep and posted few of the pictures of Lakshadweep to promote tourism of Lakshadweep. It had nothing to do with Maldives. He did not visit Maldives at that point of time. So there were few people in the Maldives and also few of the government officials who did not speak well with regard to the pictures, as they thought that it was in some kind or the other was related to not promoting Maldives and was instead was trying to promote something else. They did not take it in a well manner, or they did not take it well with respect to that it was only with regard to the promotion of tourism in Lakshadweep. It had nothing to do with Maldives. So there was on social media, the reports which were coming from the Maldives side was not at all on good terms with regard to India, and the things which were said also were not at all good. So this led to a very shallow ground with regard to the relations between India and its maritime neighbor, that is Maldives. So let's see what has happened. So days after a technical team from India arrived in the Maldives to replace troops that President of Maldives wanted to be removed. So the President of Maldives wanted the Indian troops to be removed from the Maldives, and the Maldives Defense Ministry announced signing a military pact with China. So a defense or a military pact with China has been signed, and this has been made official by the Maldives Defense Ministry that a defense pact has been signed between China and Maldives, and this comes after Indian troops was being removed from the Maldives. So let us first look at the location of the Maldives. So if we will talk about Maldives, so see, this is Indian mainland and this is the location of Maldives. It lies in the Indian Ocean. So Maldives lies in the Indian Ocean to the south of Indian mainland, and if we will talk about the channel which separates the Minicoy of Lakshadweep, or you can say that which separates India from Maldives, specifically Minicoy Island, then between the separation point between Minicoy and Malé or Maldives is the 8-degree channel. Then what separates Andaman and Nicobar is the 10-degree channel, and what separates Minicoy from the rest of Lakshadweep is the 9-degree channel. So remember this. And this was about the location of Maldives, and the capital of Maldives is Malé. Now the agreement which has been signed between Maldives and China is, the agreement is on China's provision of military assistance to the Republic of Maldives, fostering stronger bilateral ties. So the details has not been given out till now, but it is about providing military assistance and bringing stronger bilateral ties between the two nations. And the two sides also held bilateral talks on military cooperation. So basically, because it is a defense pact, it has basically to do with the military assistance or military cooperation, and then China will be assisting Maldives in many of the other things also. The detailed document has not been provided yet. Now, China Maldives. So, apart from signing of the pact, China has donated 12 green ambulances to the Maldives Health Ministry. Then the two countries agreed to increase the China-Maldives relations to a comprehensive strategic cooperative partnership. Cooperative partnership, it means both Maldives and China will be cooperating with each other. Bolstering our economic and security partnership. Economic partnership, as Maldives in the COVID period also, because Maldives economy depends on tourism a lot, and during the COVID period the tourism sector was shut down, so the Maldives economy took a hit. So Maldives need as of now the economic support and the security partnership, because it's a defense document, so the military assistance will be provided. Then comes the India Maldives scenario. So the New Delhi, that is India, has apparent compromised with Malé and agreed to withdraw its troops stationed in the island nation. So India has agreed to take back the troops which was present in Maldives. So Indian troops which was present in Maldives, they have been withdrawn, and then India replaced it with a technical team to help operate India gifted aircraft. So a technical team was sent to Maldives to operate the India gifted aircraft which India gifted to Maldives. And the president of Maldives persistent calls for the removal of Indian troops. As the president of Maldives talked about during his election campaign, and he is now fulfilling what he said during the time of his election campaign, that is about the removal of the Indian troops. And this clearly shows that the present government of Maldives is aligning towards China and is moving away from India. Then the campaign promise turned official pledge made by the leader, and the Indian troops will no longer be stationed in the Maldives after the death. And what he said was either in uniform or in civil clothes. He does not want Indian troops, be it in uniform or in civil clothes. Now about the impact on India-Maldives relations. So we all know that the Lakshadweep controversy, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi posted pictures of Lakshadweep to promote tourism of Lakshadweep, but it was not taken well by the people of Maldives and the officials of Maldives. Then in India, seeing what the Maldives has done, boycott Maldives campaign and boycott Maldives trended in India, and this resulted, the results was very severe, because a lot of Indian tourists goes to Maldives for vacations, but now India's tourism to Maldives has decreased. So if we will talk about, then according to the Maldivian Tourism Ministry, China accounts for 12.8% of the total number of visitors, while India accounts for 6.4%. So this is about 2024 data. So earlier India's tourism to Maldives was on first rank, but now it has slipped to 6th rank with regard to the boycott Maldives campaign. So from first rank to 6th rank, now India's tourism and India's visitors to Maldives is decreasing, while on the other hand China's tourist or China's tourism to Maldives is increasing. So now, as of now, 2024 data, if we talk about with regard to March also, till March 2024, so China accounts for 12.8%, while India accounts for 6.4%. So it is almost half of China's. And then the diplomatic turmoil, the diplomacy between India and Maldives is deteriorating, it is going down, and this will be a big setback for India's neighborhood first policy, and also a maritime neighbor of India is also aligning towards one of the volatile neighbors of India, that is China. So with regard to Maldives' presence in the Indian Ocean and also with regard to Maldives' strategic location, this can be taken as a big setback for India's neighborhood first policy and also India's maritime neighbors, as China's dominance in the Indian Ocean will also increase with regard to this defense pact, as China already are in collaboration with be it Pakistan, be it Sri Lanka, and now signing up defense pact with Maldives. So this is also a big hit to India's dominance or India's upcoming dominance in the or India's upcoming role in the Indian Ocean. So it will be seen that how the diplomatic relations will deal with this increasing partnership or increasing relevance between Maldives and China. Then China's increasing ties with India's maritime neighbors, and with regard to India's international relations policy, that is specifically with regard to the Southeast Asian countries or the South Asian countries, this will also be very difficult to deal with, as India will not want China to increase its dominance in the Indian Ocean region and increase ties with India's maritime neighbors, with whom India has shared good historical, cultural, economic partnership. Because if we talk about India and Maldives, then India has always helped Maldives during difficult times, be it in terms of sending the vaccines during the COVID time to Maldives, or whenever it is about the cyclones or the earthquakes, then sending the essentials and the medicines to the island nations, or be it during the time of 1980s and 90s when the coup was happening and Operation Cactus was launched. And so with regard to this, the historical ties between India and Maldives has been there. So India will not want a maritime neighbor of India to move closer to one of the countries with whom India as of now does not share very good relations. So this was about impact. So in the end, a prelims practice question. So this was all about what about the news, then China Maldives, India Maldives scenario, impact on India Maldives relations, and in the end prelims practice question. So India performs joint exercises Equivalent Dosti and E-Katha with Sri Lanka, Seychelles, Maldives or Mauritius. So give me the answer in the comment section, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.